Hey guys, this is David with Contact Window Cleaning. Let's walk through this job that I'm doing today. So as you guys can see, this has large plate flat glass, and we are having to use our ladder to get these second level windows, and we're using the stabilizer bar to not put the ladder on the gutter. And we took care of all these windows here at the back, and there's a few on the side, and let's go ahead and do the job breakdown right quick. So these windows that are up here on top of the roof, this customer requested that we protect the gutters, and we always do protect the gutters. We never rust the ladder on the gutter system. As you guys can see, we use that standoff bar. And today we're cleaning large plate flat glass, and we always want to pay attention to the details. These have these little knobs or nooks. Alright guys, so we made sure to take care of the furniture whenever we put it back. And this house, as you guys can see, has screens, and these screens come out from the outside. They did not want the screen washed, but we always do take care of the exterior tracks with the window cleaning, and we will dust off the screens for free.